Hello, my name is Colin Zukoli, and this is my Hello World project for CSE 310. This project was created using Java and Visual Studio Code. I am running this program already, and it is displaying the Hello World. Okay. Um, I'm gonna be giving an explanation to what each of this does. So this part that has the public class hello world, it is the line that creates the hello world class for the whole of this application, right? And this part that has the public static void main string args is the main method, right? Which is the starting point of the Java program and where the execution begins. So if this program is to begin execution, it's going to start from this and not from the class, right? And this line, what it does is the line that prints out the message hello world, right? So basically, this is what each of these does in the program. Okay, I also use GitHub to publish the project and Markdown for the README documentation. I spent less than 3 hours to get this up and running. Thank you for watching.